Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to delve into a topic that is of utmost importance in the context of hospitality industry in Malaysia. My research topic is the elements for designing and developing the front office instructional module Fazilah technique. Hotel industry plays a pivotal role in driving Malaysia's economic growth. It is essential for us to focus on developing and enhancing the competency of front office professionals who are at the forefront of delivering quality service to guests. The competence of front office professionals significantly influence guests' impression and satisfaction. They are the face of any hotel, and their effectiveness directly impact the guest experience. Key competencies such as effective communication, cultural understanding, customer service, and other essential skills play a fundamental role in providing exceptional guest experience. Now, let's talk about how we can equip future front office professionals with this vital competency. Active learning, a pedagogical approach that encourages students to learn by doing, has gained prominence in hospitality education. This approach not only enhances student engagement, but also equips them with the skills needed to excel in the real-world scenario they will encounter in their careers. Active learning emphasizes experiential learning, which bridges the gap between theory and practical. In our case, it means that students not only acquire knowledge about front office operation, but also practice in the simulated real-world scenario. This approach ensures that our students are well prepared for practical challenges of hospitality industry. Why did we feel the need to adopt this innovative teaching approach? Front office courses in community college, a critical part of the hotel operation certificate, face several challenges. The limited duration of these courses presented challenges in adequately preparing students, particularly in the acquisition of essential soft skills, which are paramount in the hospitality industry. Additionally, educators at community colleges face resources constraints, making it difficult to engage students effectively. Teaching aid and support materials are often lacking, hindering the successful acquisition of practical sessions. This is where our educators play a pivotal role. They are responsible for fostering a positive and conducive learning atmosphere. Our educators ensure that curricula prioritize 21st century competencies, including creativity, innovation, collaboration, critical thinking, and communication to equip students for global competition. Our commitment to enhance front office education had led us to conduct a comprehensive study. We have two main objectives for this study. Firstly, to identify the main components of front office instructional module based on experts' consensus. Secondly, to identify the elements in the main components of front office instructional module based on experts' consensus. We adopted a qualitative approach employing the fuzzy DELPHI method to secure experts' consensus regarding the constructs and elements required for constructing the questionnaire. Our sample study includes 15 experts chosen for their experience and expertise in the realm of hospitality, specifically concerning front office operation, education technology, scenario-based learning, and curriculum. The total of items included in the questionnaire is 70, and a 7-point Likert scale was utilized to determine the level of expert agreement. DELPHI method expedites the process and ensures precise data analysis, bolstering the likelihood of entertaining experts concurrence. The method consists of 7 steps, including the selection of experts. Step 2. Determination of linguistic variables based on triangular fuzzy number. Step 3. Distance determination process. Step 4. Determine percentage of group agreement. Step 5. Determining the alpha level of the fuzzy valuation aggregate. Step 6. Defuzzification process phase. Step 7. Position determination process. Let's take a look at the result of our study. Our expert reached a consensus on all items within the primary components of our front office instructional module. Moving on to the goal elements, we found that every item achieves consensus among our experts. Similarly, the mission elements also secure a unanimous consensus among our experts. In the case of the cover story elements, the consensus among experts was unanimous. The result for the role element indicates that all items achieve a unanimous consensus among our experts. Regarding the scenario operation elements, the outcome indicates that all items reach consensus among our experts. The resources elements were also endorsed anonymously by our experts, reinforcing their importance in our module. The feedback elements achieve an anonymous consensus from the expert, and the assessment element achieve anonymous consensus from the expert, underlying their significance. The discussion main components should encompass goal, mission, cover story, role, scenario operation, resources, feedback, and assessment. These items should be the focus of the module development, especially assessment, role, scenario operation, resources, and feedback. Tourism and hospitality students need assessment specifically to target the competence required by the industry. Scenario-based learning strives to offer learner life-like encounter within simulate scenario, immersing them in a narrative featuring instructor problem demanding solution. This approach enables learners to employ their expertise in the subject matter as well as their critical thinking and problem solving ability within a practical and real-world setting. Concerning the component of goal, mission, cover story, and role, the result indicates that the primary objective in the module design is to equip students with the knowledge and competency required for managing reservation, check-in, and check-out process across diverse scenarios. Each integrated component will possess distinct objective and function tailored to the learning objective. As outlined by May 2020, front office staff responsibility encompass guest reservation, check-in process, guiding guests to their room upon arrival, and holding up a superior standard of guest service and professionalism. This shows that these topics are important to be included in the module so that students can learn through them. Furthermore, the finding of Arellano et al. 2023 show that these three topics are highly important to learn by the student, with the check-in and check-out procedure receiving the highest mean of 5, and learn about reservation and its different type of receiving a mean of value 4.93. Next, for the scenario operation, findings shows that the main focus in designing the module is to use items such as reservation with guarantee booking, reservation with guarantee bookings and special requests, check-in without reservation booking, and payment made by cash, check-in with reservation booking and payment made by credit card, check-in with reservation booking and the needs to check-in early, and dealing with normal check-out with payment. Incorporating scenarios such as handling individual reservation, assigning suitable guest room while maintaining room preference, and managing the payment procedure during guest check-in is crucial for the module design. The implication of the study indicate that the identified component and element are crucial for designing the module, aligning with the industry's competence standards for tourism and hospitality industry. These implications extend to educational sector, curriculum designer, and institutions aiming to enhance student practical skills and competency. For the conclusion, the key components include goal, mission, cover story, role, scenario operation, resources, feedback, and assessment. These elements should be incorporated into the module with particular emphasis on assessment, role, scenario operation, resources, and feedback. For the element of goal, missions, cover story, and role, the center focus was on enabling students to acquire knowledge and skill related to reservation handling, check-in, and check-out procedure in various scenarios. Scenario operations should incorporate various scenarios such as reservation with guarantee booking, reservation with guarantee booking and special request, check-in without reservation booking, check-in with reservation booking and payment by cash, check-in with reservation booking and payment by credit card, check-in with reservation booking and early check-in, and handling normal check-out with payment. These scenarios reflect real-world front office activity and making them vital for the module. For future research recommendation, investigating the adaptability of this component to diverse settings and their interdisciplinary application will provide valuable insights. Additionally, collecting student feedback on the relevance and effectiveness of this component is crucial for the module enhancement. Future research may focus on innovative competency-based assessment strategies and the development and refinement of recommended resources. Collaboration with industry professionals should be also considered to ensure industry-aligned education modules. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.